one of the big things I enjoy when I go do a minor league appearance is going in the clubhouse and talking with the players and, explaining to them how hard it is to make the big leagues and what the rewards are after you make the big leagues. And when I got there last night, I guess the commissioner of that league told, the Rochester people that I wasn't allowed to go in the clubhouse and I wasn't allowed to shake hands or talk to the players, and I wasn't allowed to shake or talk to the umpires.
Wow.
So figure that out. So,
what was the reason, though, Pete?
I don't know. I don't know because, like I said, Mr. Manfred has been he's really loosened the reins around my neck. I mean, he's allowed me to go on the field last year at the All-Star game for the franchise four. He has the blessings of me working on Fox. He allowed me on the field last week in Cincinnati all 3 days. So I don't know if the commissioner of the league got scared or what it was, but one of the big things about an appearance, as you could imagine, Dan, is just going in there and talking to these young kids who are biting at the bit to make the big leagues, because I can do nothing but help them and relax them and tell them how hard it is to get there and what it's worth once you get there. So, but that's something happened last night. We're worried more about what's going to go on in the future.
Yeah, but I don't understand. Like, what did they think you're going to do or say to these kids?
Well, you're smarter than me. You tell me.
Yeah, I don't understand this. But nobody gave you a reason why you weren't allowed to be on the field, or you weren't even allowed to talk to umpires?
I even asked the general manager last night when I went and met him for the first time. Dan was his name. Great guy. I said, Dan, could you tell me who said I couldn't go in the clubhouse? And he thought for a minute. He said, it was our commissioner. And I don't know if he got word from the commissioner's office. I would think not, because Mr. Manfred has been very cordial toward me. He rolled on my situation, which I disagreed with, but that he's the boss. And, I'm not going to sit here and badmouth anybody. I just thought that was kind of unusual that they can try to use you to fill the stadium up, but yet you can't go in the clubhouse and talk to the players. And I can do it in independent league teams because they're not affiliated with major league.
Yeah.
And I do it all the time, but and they always seem to enjoy asking me questions about the great game of baseball.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.